What's up, guys? Today we got this toy to open it and see what's inside it. Right now we're going to see what's inside the box. Here's some triangles. We have the big ones. We have these really big squares. And it also comes with a backpack. Whoa. These are cool. Comes with these, and it comes with a green version right here. We have these. We have these really large squares. They're a copy from this one, but they're bigger. We have yellow and red versions. We have these green triangles and yellow versions. We have these really cool shapes that are with us. So these. So we have a door, windows. First time I ever seen windows. And another door. And you could also use this for something like an entry of the door. So people can go through the door, then in here. And have orange versions. And there's also these really cool stuff that you can put through here. Then put more through here and that. They also have triangles that are a bit more see-through. Have orange and yellow, orange and green, green, and some of these are just regular, and this is all. There's instructions also. You can build houses and stuff out of these. And then here it has some ideas for you. We have here is the new set, and we have the set before. Right now we're just going to make a cruise ship. So first we have two squares, and then we have that. And then we have two more squares here. And we're just going to keep going along the squares. Now we're done with the bottom row and the top floor. We're going to start making the second floor with a door leading like that. Now we're just going to put this here and one here. Take all this. And I have these and put them like this. Just take the old squares and they're perfectly. Now I'm just going to take one of these big plates. Now that one. And these, and then we have the blue and red with extra square. We have this. you can see that they're working perfectly together. These are the old set, and these are the new. We have this. It will hold the people go on to the cruise ship. So they come up here from the elevator, they walk here, and then they go into the cruise ship. And they go under here, under here, on stores, and then they get to find their rooms. Don't forget to watch the video where we make a big city and a big house.